Hi, I'm John. If you are new here, I do pencil drawings. Today, I want to talk about your mistakes when you are trying to drawing with charcoal or graphite pencils, because I got a bit little experience. Let's get started then. First mistake is that you are just focusing your paper, you are just focusing your drawing, but your first target is your reference object or reference picture. But in the first time, your mind is tend to see your drawing, your paper, but you have to see your target. First target is your reference picture. The other problem is your viewing angle. Your posture must be perpendicular because your drawing changes as your viewing angle changes. The other trick is that you don't have the overpressing with your pencils on your paper, because if you are making mistakes, you cannot erase. On the other hand, in the real life, you cannot see the lines. As a matter of fact, I don't advise to overpressing with pencils. Let's come to references. No doubt, the references are really important. At least you need more than 2 references. I have been drawing with charcoal pencil for 10 years, and I realized that if you are catching right references, you can handle all problems. The other problem is shadow depth. You should improve your eyesight. I don't want the advice to memorizing shapes. You have to improve your eyesight. Let's finish the video. By the way, English is not my native language, but I think you can understand me easily. Thank you for watching me, and I'm waiting for your comments.